Hey there, in this tutorial I'll show you step by step on how to add money to PayPal from a credit card in 2026 so you can fund your account easily and manage payment without issues. Make sure you follow the instructions to the end. To add money to your PayPal account, you can simply go to your PayPal account either on your website or on your phone. Now I'm using on my website, and in here I can send a request. Since PayPal doesn't really have the option on how you would be able to add, here you can just send a request and type any username or email that may send the money to you. Or you can simply go to send an invoice, click on send an invoice, and in here you can simply bill and put on every detail that you have, like the amount, the hours, the quantity, the items, the description, and after that you can add and bill it to that person or to yourself so you can add money. Now, after filling in all of the details and after sending it, you would receive a notice of you needing a payment, and after the payment is done, you would receive the money that would be transferred to your PayPal account. Now, remember that PayPal have fees on transferring your money or billing your money. That's it. If it helps, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.